When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked areas is your windows. In Colombia, where temperature fluctuations are common, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your utility bills, increase comfort, and even boost your home's overall value. If your windows are old, drafty, or damaged, it might be time to consider window replacement. Here's how this simple home improvement can make a world of difference for both your energy consumption and your wallet. The role of windows in home energy efficiency. Windows are essential to any home's insulation. They allow natural light into your home, providing warmth and brightness during the day, but they can also be a source of energy loss if not properly sealed or insulated. In older homes, the materials and designs used in windows may no longer meet the needs of modern energy efficiency standards. Cracks, gaps, and worn-out seals let warm air escape during the winter months and cool air escape during the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and increased costs. How new windows can help save energy. Window replacement can help you solve these problems by offering better insulation, reducing the need for heating and cooling, and ultimately cutting your energy bills. Here are several ways in which modern, energy-efficient windows can improve your home's energy efficiency. Improved insulation. Modern windows are designed with better insulating materials, such as double or triple glazing, which trap air between the panes of glass. This layer of air acts as a buffer that reduces heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Advanced window technologies, such as low-E glass, low emissivity, can reflect heat back inside during the colder months while preventing excessive heat gain during the summer. Reduction of heat transfer. Older windows are often made with single panes of glass, which are far less effective at preventing heat transfer than today's double-glazed or triple-glazed options. By replacing your old windows with more energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the amount of heat lost or gained through your windows. Draft reduction. Drafts from old, worn-out windows can be a major culprit when it comes to energy loss. Even small gaps or cracks in the window frames allow cold air to enter and warm air to escape. Newer windows come with better seals and weather stripping, helping to maintain a more consistent temperature inside your home and reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems. Enhanced UV protection. Energy-efficient windows are often equipped with coatings that block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. This not only helps prevent the fading of your furniture, carpets, and artwork but also contributes to maintaining a more stable temperature inside your home by minimizing heat gain through the windows. The long-term benefits of energy-efficient window replacement. Lower utility bills. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of window replacement is the reduction in your monthly energy bills. By preventing heat loss and minimizing the workload of your HVAC system, your home becomes much more energy efficient. This translates into savings over time, allowing you to recoup the cost of the windows and installation through lower utility costs. Increased home comfort. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature year-round, which makes your home more comfortable. No longer will you have to deal with rooms that are too cold in the winter or too hot in the summer. The improved insulation and better temperature control allow you to enjoy a more pleasant living space. Environmental impact. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you are also reducing your carbon footprint. With less energy needed to heat or cool your home, your reliance on non-renewable energy sources decreases, contributing to a more sustainable future. Increased home value. Energy-efficient home improvements, like window replacement, can increase the value of your home. Buyers today are looking for homes that are not only comfortable but also energy efficient. Investing in new windows can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, should you decide to sell in the future. Choosing the right window replacement for your Columbia home. In Columbia, the right type of window replacement depends on factors like your home's style, budget, and the specific climate conditions of your area. Work with a reputable window contractor who can help you select the best energy-efficient window models for your needs, ensuring proper installation and maximizing the energy-saving potential of your investment. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you can reduce energy consumption, lower utility bills, and increase comfort in your Columbia home. With the added benefits of environmental sustainability and potential home value increase, it's clear that window replacement is a smart and worthwhile investment. If you're ready to improve your home's energy efficiency, now is the perfect time to explore your window replacement options.